Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and you're beautiful, so you're the one I wanna chase. You're the one I won't hold. I won't let another minute go to waste. I want you and you're beautiful, so I know that you are something special. To you I'd be always faithful. I want to be what you always needed. Then I hope you'll see the heart in me. I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and you're beautiful, so you're the one I wanna chase. You're the one I wanna hold. I won't let another minute go to waste. I want you and you're beautiful, so I was on the mic, do my thing on a Friday night. Had the floor burning up just right. Everybody was bumping, the club was jumping. Suddenly you walked in.
No, first time na na-meet ko siya, suplada siya. And then, na-discover ko na lang na kalog pala ang bata. So, mabait din, talented, hindi masyado. Ayun, so yun lang. Yan si Shane. Sandali, isipin ko muna. Shane, alam mo yan, kapag malungkot siya, napapaiyak yan. Konti na lang daw iyak na siya, pero totoo, iyak na talaga siya. Ano masabi ko sa'yo niya? Ayun na siya, ang imag-girl. At ito ang pinag-iimuhan niya. Yun yun. Ay, Shane. Si Shane, una ko siya na-meet sa meeting ng organization. Tapos ang first impression ko sa kanya, mataray na maarte. Yun. Pero nung nakilala ko siya, ano pala siya, makulit. Tapos funny. Tapos ang pinaka-remarkable talaga sa kanya. Napaka-clumsy niya. Bawat hawakan niyang bag. Diba, matubig. Mga nako niya agad yun. Or soft drinks, gano'n. Tapos, ayun, pumali-pali din siya. Tapos yun, ayun yung mabait yan. Naalala ko siya lalo nung naging officer ako sa matulungin, mapagmahal. Ayun, bait, maganda bang.
Wanna be the man in my life that please me. Got a warning, want you know me, you need me. Give you whiplash when I ride through the room.
Unang kita ko pa lang dyan, nasusungit na ako. Kasi nung una, hindi niya alam na pro pala ako. Pero naging ka-close ko na, okay naman siya. Si Shane yung tipo mabilis pa maiyak. Especially kapag nagsiserve ako sa mga officer, siya yung unang natataranta. Tapos maya-maya, iilit na yung luha. Pero the best yan si Shane kasi isa siya sa mga ka-close ko na officer.
Nung ako yung makalala, mabait, mukhang mabait. Tapos hindi pumasok sa isip ko na masukit siya. Pero nung nakilala ko yun, napakadala-dala niya. Tapos feeling close.
sobrang sweet na best friend. H, napaka-humble niya, tsaka hindi lang humble, very down-to-earth pa. A for adorable, N for nice, not only nice but also friendly, and E for elegant. Kasi kung tignan mo si Shane, napaka-simple niya pero elegante ang dating.
I say when I see you,
Smiley! Wow!
there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while, 'cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are.
Happy birthday, Shaki! Happy birthday, kapatid!
Happy birthday, Shane!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Shane!
Happy birthday, Ate Shane!
Shane! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Shane!
And I tell her every day. Oh,
Alam ni si Santa, happy birthday! Shane, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Shane! Yes!
Happy birthday, Shane!
Happy birthday, best friend! Hi, Shane! Happy birthday! Hi, Shane! Happy birthday! Nay, may nakadikit sa ano mo, likod mo. Ito. Ay, alam mo, nakakita ko na sa likod, naalala ko po si Shanay. Eh, dahil dyan, happy birthday, Shanay.
just the way you are. And when you smile.
Ang masasabi ko kay Shane, napaka-simple, napakabait, at napaka-understanding. Happy birthday, Shane!